Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining me on this wonderful day. You may be wondering why I got some 2x4s in the car. Yeah, I like to be walking tall, man. I want to have the tallest stick around. I got some plans. I got some old support. I forgot to get myself locks and anchors. I could go another day, not a big deal. And I need to build my support back up again. Definitely indeed. And that support is around the garage door to make it more sturdier. The camera makes everything look brighter when it's actually darker. And I get a comment saying, oh man, the camera is awful in quality for low-level lighting. Now, what can I say? It's a camera. It films. It's not an outdoor camera for nighttime. It's great for daytime outdoor shots. I don't make the camera. I agree with you. I only show what the camera can do. And I'm on automatic right now. I'm almost sure it don't look good. And it's very jittery. I'm going to have to take off, EIS to make this a lot better. Well, Rocksteady is off. I'm holding the best I can so I don't have a shaky video at all. But did my video improve in quality? Not at all. Not at all. So what can I go do? Go into the Pro and change the ISO and turn on priority enabled? Because I didn't do that before. Well, priority enabled is disabled. I can't get to it when you got ProRes on. How sweet is that? Man, how'd that noise travel all the way over here? Oh man, that's omnidirectional noise. So, if I have my camera at 3200 ISO only, and the EV value is disabled and priority disabled as well, that tells you it uses that EV value to lower the blurriness of stutteriness or whatever the hell you want to call it. Does that make me happy? No. Does that make me sad? No. Does it make me want to go get a GoPro Hero 11 when it's $100 off? I don't know. I'm really debating right now if I should go pick one up. Remember, when I say things, it's inside saying it out loud. In my humble opinion, my thoughts to you. Doesn't mean it's fact, but it could be fiction. It's an action camera, baby. That means you're supposed to do action. Now the funny thing is, priority enabled is on. I had to turn back on Rocksteady, but it won't go on with Pro. So there's a lot happening with this action camera. It thinks it's a mini DSLR in control. Somebody's watching me. No, DJI's not spying on you, controlling the camera to do your shot. What a noisy neighborhood. It's time to get on out of here. It's cold, it's windy, it's rainy. I went like this on the EV value, upward. And I am on the highest. I don't get you, DJI. I don't get action cameras anymore. I'm not gonna worry about you. Low-level shot. Got a light. I should be bright. I should be crisp. I should be clear with the best sensor on the market. Well, why not just go over to the other side again for $79 more? Yeah, you never know. So we don't have full manual control or automatic control or any control when we get Pro on. Pro seems to enable and disable some things. It has its benefits, its ups and downs. And when you start to learn your camera, because I can't learn my camera to do things on the fly. I'll be out here all day just trying to set up a single shot. So it takes me time to do things. It may take you a few seconds, but here I am, I'm on a bike. As long as I can capture a video sharing the fun with you, that's all that matters, and that's where automatic goes. Oh, I'm the automatic guy. I can automatically do things. I finally used quick capture because I had manual mode on and I just turned it off. Now let me tell you, my fingers are cold and I can't even press the button hard enough to turn it on. Especially with the colder finger, good luck trying to get your camera to work while skiing. I'm not going to hear people complain about that. Well, that song's playing in my head now. Voices carry, because my voice carries. And when I talk nice and loud to the camera, people hear me. Well, I'm going to start to talk soft. That's the way it is. I'm Fish, and I catch you on many other videos to come. Being close up in the face with an action camera.